Hello, how to reset your sight glasses in your Seat Ibiza. The Windows are does not have any more function as well if you disconnect the battery before. In this case, we close all the windows in our car and close the door of the driver's side, of course. Then have a check, and now we are going to reset it. Push right for approximately 3 seconds. Let it there, and you will hear that the windows are driven to the upper position. After this, the comfort open and comfort close procedure will be enabled again. Easy peasy, huh? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give a positive feedback. Hope to see you again on my channel. Tot ziens.